Hey y'all, so let's take a look at solving an equation that has variables on both sides. I'm Mary Kennedy, and I want you to subscribe because I'm going to help you make sense of math, especially algebra, so that you can move on with your life. You can go back to watching your regular YouTube videos. Not this. All right. So let's take a look at this one. This has got variables all over the place. So what you want to do first is think about on one side of the equation, what are the things I can combine because they're like terms. So in this case, what I'm talking about, come back. There we go. All right. What I'm talking about is like terms here and here. We both have these variables that have the letter P, and we are looking to see if we can put them together. So 3 plus 8, that's 11P. And then we have a -5, and there's nothing else over here that can combine with. So I'm just going to bring it down. On the right side, there's a P term and a number term. And so I just bring those both down. There's nothing to combine them with on that side of the equation. All right. So now we're ready to actually solve it. So remember, your goal is to get P equals a number or X equals a number, or whatever the variable is in the problem. That's our goal. That's what we're thinking we want to get to. And right now we have a P term over here, but we also have a number. So I'm going to move that over because that is in the way of having my answer to just be P equals a number. And so it says -5, so I'm going to put +5 because -5 plus 5 is 0. That gets rid of it, leaves 11P on this side. Over here, I've got 4P that I'm just going to bring down. -12 plus 5 is -7. So now I'm a little closer to the target that I'm shooting for here. So I've got the P term over here equals, and then there's another P term, and there's only supposed to be a number. So I'm going to do -4P on both sides since it's a positive 4P. 4 minus 4 is 0, so that's gone. Leaves just a -7. 11 minus 4 is 7P. Let me erase this right here and see if I can have a little more space. All right, so now I'm down to a one-step equation. It says 7P, which is 7 times P, so I'm going to do the opposite and divide by that number. Whatever's in front of the variable, that's what you divide by. So divide by 7, and that leaves me P equals -1. So the solution is -1. That means if I plug in a -1, wherever I see the letter P up here and multiply times -1 each time, the left side is going to equal the right side. That's it. All right. I'll see you next time.